Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Charlie. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing y'all how to make my delicious cabbage fried rice. Now, fried rice is a Chinese dish, and it consists of cooked rice along with eggs, different types of vegetables, meat, and seafood. It also has soy sauce in it as well. Now, this dish mostly consists of cabbage. We also add andouille smoked sausage and shrimp, and my favorite blend of New Orleans seasonings to create a wonderful, delicious, and flavorful fried rice dish. This recipe calls for about 2 to 4 servings. It's flavorful and absolutely delicious. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, here's all you need to make your cabbage fried rice. Let's get started with our ingredients. You need some chopped cabbage, and along with that, you're going to need some andouille smoked sausage, any brand, a half a pound of small Louisiana shrimp that has been peeled, cleaned, and deveined. You can use any type of cooked long grain rice. I'm using some cooked jasmine rice. And for your seasonings, you'll need some green onion, garlic, and for your additional seasonings, you'll need some salt, black pepper, Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. Now, if you don't have this, you can use the Zatarain's Creole seasoning or the Slapping Mama Cajun seasoning. You will also need some Chef Paul Prud'homme's Seafood Magic, ground ginger, soy sauce, and some sesame seed oil. And there we have it. Alright, let's get straight to it. So we're going to get started by chopping up some green onion. Now make sure you chop up the ends to your green onion as well. Alright, here I have 2 cloves of garlic. I went ahead and cut them in half. Alright, here I have a garlic press. I'm going to just press the garlic. And there we go, that's the garlic we're going to use. Alright, now for our andouille smoked sausage, you only need about 5 ounces of this per batch of rice that you're going to make. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start by cutting this in half like that. And from there, I'm just going to chop this into small bite-sized pieces. There we go. Preheat your fire to medium-high heat. Alright, let's get started with making our fried rice. So in this large saucepan, I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of sesame seed oil. I just spread that around as best as I can. And next I'm going to add my andouille smoked sausage. I'm going to go ahead and take my wooden spatula and I'm just going to give this a quick stir. I'm going to let this saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, I let this saute for about 3 minutes. Unlike some of the other andouille smoked sausage brands that I've tried, this one appears not to release any oil or anything like that, which is a good thing. I'm not going to complain about that. And from there, I'm just going to place it into this serving bowl here. And we're going to set this on the side. Alright, next up, I'm going to add a half a pound of our small Louisiana shrimp that has been peeled, cleaned, and deveined right on in there. Just go ahead and give this a quick stir. Now I just want to saute the shrimp because sometimes when shrimp cooks it releases juices, so I don't want any liquid, so I just want to make sure that this is cooked and whatever juices that they may have, we'll just put that on the side. And for seasoning, I'm just going to sprinkle about 1/8 of a teaspoon of Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning and 1/8 of a teaspoon of Chef Paul Prud'homme's Seafood Magic. So let me just go ahead and give this a quick stir, just like that. Alright, it's been about 1 minute since we started sauteing this, and this looks pretty good right here. So that's exactly what we're looking for. Alright, now I'm going to take my shrimp and I'm just going to add it into the serving bowl here. And from there, we're just going to set this on the side. Alright, let's get started with assembling our fried rice. So this is going to be very quick, so make sure you have your wooden spatula and everything ready. Alright, so in your large saucepan, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of sesame seed oil right on in there. I'm going to just spread that around. I'm going to just let this get hot for about 10 to 20 seconds. Alright, now as you can see here, it's already starting to smoke. That's a good sign right there. So I'm going to go ahead and add 1 cup of my chopped green onion right on in there. And our 2 cloves of garlic right on in there. Now I'm going to go ahead and give this a quick stir. And I'm going to let this saute for about 1 minute. Alright, it's been about 1 minute now. Alright, next I'm going to add a half a pound, that's 8 ounces in weight, of our chopped cabbage right on in there. Now I'll go ahead and give this a quick stir. Now I'm going to continue to stir this for about 30 seconds. Alright, let's go ahead and add some seasoning. I'm going to sprinkle about 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon of Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, 1/8 of a teaspoon of Chef Paul Prud'homme's Seafood Magic, 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground ginger. And we're also going to add our chopped smoked sausage, our half a pound of cooked shrimp, and 2 cups of cooked rice. Now I'm going to go ahead and give this a quick stir. Now I'm going to continue to stir this for about 30 seconds. And lastly, we're going to add 4 teaspoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame seed oil. Now I'm going to go ahead and give this a quick stir. And you're going to continue to stir this for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. And from there, your cabbage fried rice is done. Now you're going to go ahead and turn your fire off. Now you're going to let this cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. And after that, it's ready to be served. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Cabbage fried rice, made by New Orleans native. If you like my channel, hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell button if you want to be notified of my videos. Now I have an official website for all of my recipes, including for this delicious cabbage fried rice. You can go to www.charliethecookandrews.com. You can also find me on Facebook, Instagram, and on Twitter under the name Charlie the Cook Andrews. Stay tuned as Charlie's Taste Test is coming up next. Can't wait. Now it's time to go ahead and take a bite. Look at that. Ooh, woo. Y'all, this is really, really good. I mean, the overall flavor of this dish is absolutely outstanding. You can taste the flavor of the cabbage that's kind of a little bit of caramelized along with that smoked sausage and that shrimp. You can really taste the shrimp in there along with the New Orleans seasonings. Y'all, it doesn't get any better than this. It's really, really good. So, give the recipe a try. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, have a good one. Peace.